Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to run your WAN websites. Try to install add once in Mozilla Firefox. So guys, if you want to run your WAN websites, try to install add once in Mozilla Firefox. Very easy. Firstly, open Mozilla Firefox. After click on three dots. Now click on options and here type notification. That is, after here option, run your WAN websites, try on install add one. So guys, if you want to disable or block, so uncheck this box, and if you want to enable, so check this box. You have to click on extension. There it is. If you want to remove website, so click on remove website, and if you want to remove all websites, so click on remove all website. After click on save change. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to run your WAN website, try to install add once in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.